Hi, I'm Shelley Wood. You might know me from shelleywood.com. This is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pair of elastic waist shorts for 8-inch dolls like Dora and Friends. That would be a 20 to 21 centimeter doll, modeled here by my Alana doll. Before we begin though, please go to shelleywood.com to download this free printable sewing pattern. You should be able to find a helpful link in the description below this video on YouTube. Use the pattern to cut out both of the pieces shown here, and then lay one piece on top of another, matching them up with what's called right sides facing, the bright side of the fabric facing. Sew the crotch. Create a casing at the waist by folding the fabric once and then a second fold that's deeper, like 1 centimeter deep. Whip stitch along the edge of this fold. If you need help with the whip stitch, I do have a tutorial for that in the description below. Measure your doll's waist for elastic and cut it to fit. Attach a safety pin to one end of the elastic. And then send the elastic through your casing like you see me doing right here. By the way, this pattern will also fit the 6-inch American Girl dolls, so it's a pretty versatile pattern. Use straight pins to hold your elastic in place on both sides of the shorts. Fold the shorts in half. Now you're ready to sew that other crotch. Secure the elastic with several stitches, and then you can remove your straight pins. Clip the crotch seams with a pair of scissors. Just clip close to the seam. Flip the shorts around and take hold of just one leg for a second. And what you're going to do is create a double fold hem by folding that fabric just once and then a second time. And hem this leg again using the whip stitch. Keep folding that fabric as you stitch. Your shorts should look like this now. Hem the other leg in the same way you did the first one. Bring the two crotches together. So you can see me doing that here so you understand what I mean by bring the two crotches together. We're kind of changing the direction of the fabric. There we go. Stitch from one leg to the other, so you're going to stitch across the crotch. Now you're ready to invert the shorts. That means flip them right side around. You see me doing that here on my little art studio set for my doll. Let's try them on the doll. She looks so cute in those. And like I said, these will fit the 6-inch American Girl dolls too. Here's the same shorts in a different color. There's lots of varieties. For more free printable sewing patterns for dolls of many shapes and all different sizes, remember to visit shelleywood.com. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos and free patterns, please share them on your favorite social media platforms. It really helps my website grow if you help me spread the word. Goodbye.